So I wanted to show you how we're going to set up for our lab. If you take a look at your lab document where it says prepare your area, you'll see that there's several materials that you're going to need to start your lab preparation. We need the books, meter stick, and a couple of pieces of tape. The toy cars and the timer are not needed yet. We won't need that until we actually take care of the lab. So what we're going to do first is we're going to determine a starting point, and we'll do so by placing a piece of tape down. That piece of tape will identify where our ramp will start. We're then, according to the directions, we're going to take the two books and we're going to set them up in a ramp, something like this, and we want it to match up with our starting point right here. We want that to line up. This is going to be the ramp where you will hold the toy car up here at the top, so it'll roll. We will need to measure 2 meters out using our meter stick, and so I'm going to start at that tape, that starting point. This is 1 meter here, and then I'm going to take this, I'm going to go further, and I'm going to mark my 2 meter spot here. That becomes my stopping point. So I have 2 meters distance right here for my car to potentially travel. Okay, make sure that you've prepped your area. This is about how much space you'll need. So 2 meters worth of space plus a little bit. If you're going to be doing this at home and setting this up, you will need a solid surface so that way your toy cars can roll. Okay, once you do this, you'll notice that it does ask you to go in and fill in the data table. You need to fill in the distance for all of your trials because the distance is not going to change. It's going to be 2 meters no matter what. And also you need to fill in, identify the vehicles that you have. So if you have a tractor, if you have an 18-wheeler, if you have a race car, whatever your vehicles are, you're going to want to go ahead and identify them. Red car, blue car, whatever way you'd like to make them identified. Okay?